Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete Pinterest history on mobile. Well, the first step is just launching a Pinterest app and logging into your account like so. Once you're inside your Pinterest home feed, you're going to need to click on this avatar icon at the bottom right corner. So here, I wasn't quite able to see this settings icon at the top when I was in dark mode, so I just switched to light mode and just click on this gear icon once you're inside your profile. From there you can see home feed tuna. Let's select it. So all the pins that we have seen or viewed are displayed in this page. So if you unclick this, unclick and unclick, so if you refresh this page again by going back, refresh it and go to settings again, home feed tuna, you see we are no longer shown pins that are inspired by these pins that we have unchecked. Alright, if you want to clear your search history instead, here's how you can do it. Just click on the search icon, and then to clear this, just click on this cross icon next to the search term, and the search history will be gone too. Now you know how to delete Pinterest history on mobile. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding deleting Pinterest history on mobile, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.